Vermeer mini skid steers are designed to connect to a variety of authorized attachments. With various options to choose from, it can be challenging to decide which one fits your job site the best. Let's focus on mini skid steer grapple attachments and talk about their proper use and how to get the most out of your workday. Grapples are built to help you move brush, limbs, and branches. They're best used on a job site where you have a lot of tree debris to clean up or chip. To operate, navigate to the brush or branches with the grapple low to the ground while in transport. When you arrive at the site, make sure the grapple is open and then close it on the brush or branches you want to pick up by utilizing the hydraulic flow controls. Vermeer mini skid steers with a grapple attachment are frequently paired with a Vermeer brush chipper so you can handle the materials with the grapple and put it directly into the brush chipper in feed. This is just one way to use your Vermeer mini skid steer grapple. For more information on how Vermeer mini skid steers or the Vermeer approved attachments can be useful on your job site, check out Vermeer.com or contact your local dealer.